Hello friends, a quick tip how to make an object emit light in Eevee engine. Let's add some meshes. These will be light sources. Let's change their position. I'm going to add a few planes to show some differences. Use nodes. Add the emission shader. Increase strength value. Change color. Do the same with another. As you can see, these light sources don't affect the cube. In cycles it would already work, but in Eevee engine we need to use the light probe tool to bake lights. Shift A to add light irradiance volume. Scale to fit your model. Now you can go to render properties and bake indirect lighting. As you can see, your object's emitting some lights. As you can see, your object's emitting some lights, but this wall is not affected by the light source because it is out of irradiance cube. That's what you have to do to get an object to emit some lights in your scene. Thank you for watching. See you next time.